Hi friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today, let's make quesadilla, a Mexican dish. For that, we need to make the vegetable filling first. For the filling, first heat about 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add chopped green chillies. I used 2 Thai chillies. Add finely chopped onion, coriander leaves, green tomatoes, zucchini, bell peppers or capsicum. I used red and yellow bell pepper or capsicum. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. It is optional. Add 1 tablespoon taco seasoning. Mix well. Add half teaspoon salt. Cover it and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes with no water. Our mix is ready. The filling is ready. So let's start making quesadilla. Quesadilla can be made on a pan or quesadilla maker. I'm going to use my panini maker. I put that in the griddle option. Place a tortilla. Spread the sauce. I used Taco Bell sauce. You can use any Mexican sauce. Add grated cheese. Spread the filling. You can reduce the filling, otherwise it will come out. I put a lot of filling because we like lots of vegetable filling inside the quesadillas. Add some more grated cheese on top. Add sauce. You can adjust the quantity of chilies and the sauce based on your spice level. Cover the quesadilla with another tortilla. Spread oil. You can avoid spreading oil. I just spread a little bit of oil. Close the panini maker gently so that the filling won't come out. You can see that it was like too much filling. You can reduce the quantity of the filling inside. Make more full tortillas. Cut it into wedges. Serve hot with Mexican salsa. I will put the recipe for the salsa soon. Or guacamole. I have already put the recipe for the guacamole. It is recipe number 35. You can make half quesadillas using a single tortilla. So you are going to fill half of the tortilla with filling and close the tortilla. So you can make 2 quesadilla at one time. Like you will get a pocket with vegetables, a tortilla pocket with vegetables, and melted cheese. This is a very quick and easy, healthy, tasty dish. You can use your leftover rotis to make quesadillas. You can make quesadillas on a pan also. So I'm going to show you how to make quesadillas on a pan. Spread a little bit of oil. Heat the pan. Place the tortilla. Put sauce. And I'm going to add fresh vegetable this time. Finely chopped fresh vegetables. Zucchini. Bell pepper. Coriander leaves. And you can add onion too. So whatever vegetable available, whatever vegetables you like, you can add those. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Very little because the grated cheese has salt in it. Add sauce. Cover the quesadilla with another tortilla. Cook one side and flip it over using a plate. Cook the other side. Cut it into wedges and enjoy. Serve hot. It's a very easy recipe and it's very healthy. Thank you for watching. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen.